Let's also get you a check now of European trading at this hour. We mentioned earlier that indexes were mixed. Rich Salamat is standing by in London and breaks it all down for us. Rich?
Yeah, thanks a lot, Scarlett. Yeah, European stocks yo-yo mood today. There's no clear momentum to the upside or indeed the downside here. What we're really seeing is a rally among telecoms, also some of these healthcare shares as well in the mix. Let's take a look, first of all, at the healthcare side of things. AstraZeneca added to UBS's list of what they're calling key calls here. Meanwhile, Novartis over in Zurich moving to the upside too. There we go, up at the moment, Novartis nearly 3.4%. It's another one applying treatment to the sector after saying that it had completed the production of the first batch of a swine flu vaccine. Taking it out to telecoms, BT ringing up some impressive gains. This after Bank of America advised clients to buy the shares. Seeing gains at the moment for the likes of Telefonica out there in Madrid, but British Telecom Group up by over 5%. Deutsche Telekom over there in Frankfurt, 1.2% above the gain line. Let's take a look at what's on the way down. The biggest faller in London on the main index is at least Vedanta Resources, falling after India's biggest copper company announced the sale of a $1 billion tranche of convertible bonds. All of this coming after concerns mount that the three-month rally on the Dow Jones Stock 600 index, well, it's outpaced expectations for earnings here. Now, the index, it's valued at 25.5 times the profits of these companies. That's the most expensive level that we've seen since 2004, and just up in the last 3 months, as you can see, 28.5% basically. Also today, we've got the group of 8 finance ministers meeting under mounting pressure from investors and central bankers. They're there to spell out plans to reverse record budget deficits before that actually kicks in inflation as well. G8 officials are gathering in the southern Italian city of Lecce. This all coming amid signs of a global economic recovery taking place. But traders are selling government bonds on concerns that the flood of cash out there will fuel inflation if left unchecked. Now, this is something that central bankers have been concerned about. Fed Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke and European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet warning last week that rising debt threatens financial stability. So at the moment, a fairly unconvincing day as far as European equity markets go, lacking direction at the moment, as I said, on the upside or the downside. Right now, FTSE just down a fraction. CAC 40 is flat with a move down at the moment to, 50.96 for the DAX, a 0.25% lower. So, Scarlett, that's what's going on in Europe.
Bloomberg's Rich Salamat in London.